Do you want to know how you can log into your Getconch AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. This video is about how you can log into your Getconch AI account. What you need to do first of all is open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Then go to the Google search bar and search for Getconch AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official site of Conch AI. You can see login on the top right hand side of this browser or this page. Go ahead and click login and you can notice that you can log in using your email address or Google. So if you want to log into your account hassle-free, just go ahead and choose sign in with Google, or else you can write down your email address, your password, click on I am not a robot and then click sign in. This way you can sign in using your email address. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have a Conch.ai account, go ahead and click sign up here. So, if you want to sign in with Google, click on sign in with Google and you can see that this portal will load up. Now you can choose your Gmail address, press continue, and then you can give access to Conch.ai to access your Google account. As you can see guys, you have logged into your account. You can write down your name over here, press continue, choose your work, and there you go. You have logged into your Getconch.ai account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.